Hey guys, Brandon Barnett here with MyPOVGuitar. I just wanted to let you know tomorrow is the last day of the $99 special for the MyPOVGuitar beginner course. This is normally $297. I'm never going to run this inexpensively again. You have until tomorrow. You can see the countdown that we have on the site. You can go to mypovguitar.com for more information. It's over 50 lessons, a 48-page downloadable PDF book. If you were to go to a local instructor and take 50 lessons on the low end, that's going to cost you $1,750. $99, you can't beat it. You have direct access to me. If there's anything you're struggling with, I will give you one-on-one access to any trouble you have. You can book a call and talk to me. So anyway, guys, shameless plug here, but this thing is going tomorrow back up to the regular price. So if you've been on the fence, now is the time to learn to play guitar.